Hello.
Hello po, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening po.
Magandang gabi.
Yes po, Papa Jackson. Thank you for allowing me to call you.
Oh, you're welcome.
So, wala naman ako generally na question. I just wanna share lang my personal experience. And I do hope na some of your listeners can get like a lesson out of it.
What's your name?
My name is Lana.
Lana.
I'm 37 from QC.
You are 37
Yes.
from Quezon City.
Opo.
Ano nangyari sa mga taga-QC ngayon? Parang may problema yung iba sa inyo, ha? Baka dalawa lang kayo ng unang caller. Anyways. Anyways, anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Lana?
Remote worker and then at the same time nag-aaral.
Okay. Anong course mo?
Masters in Business Ad.
Sa 37, nag-aral ka ulit.
Yes.
Anong trigger nun?
Madami. I was supposed to do it way back in 2017.
Ano you were
Pero
supposed
like,
to? Sorry, I didn't catch it.
I was supposed to do it in 2017.
Okay.
Pero life happens. And then, may mga pagkakataon na hindi talaga hindi talaga umayon yun dun sa gusto ko.
Okay. Medyo na,
And then,
okay, wait lang, Lana, medyo, you're breaking up. You were supposed to do it
Okay
a few years ago, pero parang, it wasn't the perfect timing, parang ganon.
correct. Tama po.
Okay. Are you a mother already or single?
I'm single.
Okay.
I don't have children.
Okay. Anong kinukuha mo ngayon, huh?
Masters in Business Administration.
Anong
MBA.
MBA. Okay.
Specialization. Marketing.
Yan ang baccalaureate degree mo. Magkadoktor naman yung dalawang yan eh. Kasi sa PUP parang nasa isang college lang yan eh.
Opo.
Okay. Are you going to a regular university or open university?
Open University.
Ano to? PWU, PUP, UP. Yan yung mga nag-offer.
PUP.
PUP. Alma mater kita. Memorize mo yung ating PUP hymn?
Di ko sure kung kabisado ko pa.
Yung baccalaureate mo, did you also go to PUP?
Tama po. Yes.
Okay. I used to teach in PUP.
Ay talaga?
Yep. I stopped.
Mascom?
Yeah. Major subjects. I used to teach corporate communication.
Di ko natatanungin kung anong year.
Oo. Kasi baka mag-away tayo. Okay. Alright. Why the call tonight?
Meron lang akong parang enlightenment na nangyari. This before 2025 year ends.
Okay.
So, to give you a feedback, hindi ako proud dun sa nangyari at sa nagawa ko.
Okay.
But I'm taking accountability dun sa ginawa ko. Not for everyone else, but for myself.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay.
What a way to open a story. Okay.
So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting background. Who are the people involved?
Okay.
So, the guy is a supervisor dun sa previous work ko.
What was your job?
Remote workers din kami lahat.
Okay. Supervisor mo siya, parang team leader, parang ganon.
Actually, hindi. Pero pares, under ako ng territorial area niya.
Okay.
So, under territory namin, may mga different supervisor.
Okay.
And then, under ako ng different team.
Okay. I don't know. Are we talking a he or a she?
He.
He, okay. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, alam mo naman, kailangan magtanong. Mm.
So,
Mhm.
hindi ko siya talaga personally kakilala nun.
Okay.
Parang since remote workers, remote lang kami minsan nakikita. But the company
Mm.
held twice a year event.
Okay.
Mid tsaka year end.
Mhm.
Pero prior to the event na na-attendan ko na nakita ko siya personally, I didn't know na kung sino siya. Pero may one event before yung event na nagkaroon kami talaga ng personal interaction. Nagulat ako kasi yung mga girls nagkakagulo. Kala ko kung sino, kala ko may artista na inimbitahan.
Mm. Okay.
Tapos, siya lang pala yun.
So you're saying he is that charming and good looking.
Yes. But personally, hindi siya yung type ko.
What a defense. Okay. Go ahead.
Hindi defense. Hindi ko talaga siya nakita na interesting at that time. Maybe at that time, I don't...
Well, ganito na lang.
Like-
Na. He is not in your template but hindi mo siya hindi type.
Sige, we can say that. Sige.
Yeah. Kasi kung if you got involved with him, type mo siya. Hindi mo
But
lang
that
hindi
was-
mo lang template siguro.
But that was like few months before yung actual naming interaction.
Okay.
Okay.
So kumbaga,
And then-
nung time na yun, hindi mo magets, ba't nakagulo tong mga to? Parang you don't find him that attractive, parang ganun.
Hindi. Tsaka hindi ko pa kasi siya nakakausap nun eh.
Okay.
Tapos, the following year, nagkaroon ng isang malaking event
Mhm.
where yung territory namin is napili siya at saka ako to represent yung area namin to compete to a contest.
Okay.
So, dun ko lang siya personally nakausap. Walang lalim, pero may interaction na.
What were the
Tapos-
topic? Ano topic?
About lang sa kung paano namin i-handle sarili namin during the event. Mababaw pa lang siya actually.
Okay.
Wala pa siyang ano.
It was purely small talks and transactional conversation.
Correct.
Okay.
And then,
Mhm.
merong instance doon na nagbibis kami sa isang room. Marami namang mga kasama doon. But I can see na iba na yung tingin niya kasi medyo revealing yung suot ko nung that time eh.
Why were you changing clothes in the premises wherein another guy can see you?
Hindi, chitipadyan kasi siya.
Ah, so maganda ka rin.
Simple lang.
Okay, di pangit. Pipilitin ko ba kayo kung sinabi ko na ayaw nyo pa? O, di sige. Hindi wag. Okay. Oh, sige. Tapos.
Ayun. So
Mhm.
I don't give like mind after that. And
So,
may mga
wait lang.
ilan na-
Ikwento mo sa amin.
Mhm.
Spicy to eh. You were changing clothes. What particular clothing were you trying to change yung time na yan? You were getting into what?
a very
Blouse?
sexy dress.
So you were getting into a sexy dress?
Mhm.
So you were on your
Tapos,
you were in your underwear?
naka-ano lang ako nun, naka-towel.
Tapos nagtataka ka kung bakit nakatingin sa'yo?
Hindi kasi,
Mm.
hindi ko ma-explain. Pero nung time kasi nung pumasok siya doon sa isang area na nandun ako na nagpapalit na, nag-stop siya doon sa gilid.
Mm.
Tapos sabi ko, I'm done, ikaw na.
Okay.
Nilampasan ko lang siya nun. Tapos nun, ang nangyari after that, nung contest na yun, hindi ako nanalo, siya nanalo.
Okay.
Tapos, may mga ilan kasi dun sa mga workmate ko.
Mm.
As in, BP lang na nagpa-follow sa akin. So, finalo niya ako sa social.
Mm. Okay.
I didn't follow back. Pero naging constant siya na follow na
Mhm.
liker, commenter, ganyan.
Sige, pahabol. Hindi nag-follow
Mm.
back. Ah, ganda yan.
And then,
Okay.
Ganun, constant yung pag-follow niya, pag-check niya ng profile until nung one time na same year na mga November,
Mhm.
pumunta kami ng isang friend sa North and then nakita
Wait
niya
lang, ng
yung
isang?
friend ko na babae.
Okay, friend mo sa North.
Mm.
Okay.
And then, nagsabi siya na, oy, nandito pala kayo, ba't di ka nagsabi?
Mm.
So, sabi ko, why would I?
Mm.
Tapos nun, nangamusta siya, sabi ko, okay naman. Kasi,
Ba't mo sinusungitan? Tinatanong ka lang.
medyo alam ko na kasi na parang may treat niya ako.
Oh. Eh di naisip mo lahat na nagkakagulo sa'yo tapos ako hinahabol mo.
Hindi naman sa parang, guarded lang.
Tigilan mo ako. I'm sure at some point may angas sa'yo na okay, sa akin siya interested. Kasi alam mo may
Duro.
tigilan mo ako. Ikaw chararang ka, no? Haba ng hair. Ay,
Mahaba yung hair ko that time.
Okay, sige.
Literally.
Tapos,
doon kami nagtanong siya kung kamusta ba ako sa work and all. Pero pa-resign na kasi ako noon eh.
mhm.
Tapos, doon siya nag-open up about sa situation niya.
Oh, here we go.
So,
Okay.
nagsabi siya na, tinanong pa lang niya ako kung if I'm in a relationship. Sabi ko, no. But I'm not available.
I'm not looking. Sakit ng ulo lang yung mga lalaki. Yan ha. Mga ganun
May iba kasing story yun eh.
Okay.
May mas malalim na story yun.
Okay.
Tapos, siya naman, tinanong ko siya. Kasi, nung event namin, may mga chismis-chismis about him na may mga nakaka-flirt nga siya ng mga girls.
Medyo F-boy, parang ganon.
Parang ganun siya, oo. Tapos, syempre, dinefend niya yung sarili niya.
Okay.
Pero may ganun na siya na persona sa akin na malandi siya.
Okay.
Na sinabi ko naman yun sa kanya directly. Tapos sabi niya, ang grabe naman daw ng pagkakakilala ko. So sabi ko, I don't know you ngayon pa nga lang tayo magkakakilala eh. Tapos in-explain
Asan ba kayo
niya.
niyan? Bahay ba? Restaurant?
Hindi, chat lang to. Hindi pa kami, after nung event namin, hindi pa kami ulit nagkita personally. Chat lang to. Purely chat.
Sorry. Naligaw ako. Kala ko kasi nagpunta kayo sa isang bahay ng friend niyo sa North kamo kanina.
Oo, pero hindi ko siya minit doon.
Okay.
I don't have that time to meet him. And hindi ko na siya naisip na imit pa doon.
Okay. So he's from the North?
Yes.
Dagupan? Tarlac? Clark? Pampanga? Nasabi ko ba?
Benguet.
Benguet. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Malayo.
Malayo talaga.
Tapos, doon niya nasabi na meron siyang anak. And then, meron siyang partner. Pero interesting yung setup nilang dalawa. Kasi, they live under the same roof. Pero, they stayed on a different room.
Okay.
And then, I asked him, sabi ko, bakit ka lumalandi ng babae if hindi mo pa naayos kung ano yung meron sa inyo ng partner mo? Kasi technically, parang kayo pa din. Tapos sabi niya, medyo magulo daw yung setup kasi parang sa bata na lang. Pero sabi ko, I don't give a bull kasi as long as you see each other, that means that there is something that still keeps you from staying. Tapos, sabi niya, in 3 years daw, wala daw silang intimate. Mga ganong mga sinasabi niya. Sabi ko, okay, sige. Kung yan yung ano mo,
But why would
Yan
why
yung-
would why will we have the why will he have the need to tell you?
tinanong ko din yan actually sa kanya.
Mm.
Tapos sabi niya, sensible daw pala kasi akong kausap.
Oh.
So sabi ko, baka naman sinasabi mo din yan sa lahat ng mga nakakausap mo, hindi ba?
Magaling. May itsura na sensible pa. Oh, ikaw no. Okay.
Actually, parang naging slow burn yung ano namin, Papa Jackson. Kasi
Mm.
after nung ano namin yun, pag-uusap namin na yun, parang quarterly na yung pag-uusap namin. Ng
Eh,
mga ganun kalalim.
Every other 3 months, parang ganun.
Oo, pero constant pa din yung pag-like niya, pag-view niya, pag-comment niya, ganyan.
Mm.
Pero again, I never follow him. Just until now.
Okay.
Okay, so dumating na itong
Mm.
2025 na October. Doon, nagkaroon kami ulit ng mas malalim na pag-uusap.
Okay.
And personally, I am not at my best during that time.
Okay.
Parang sobrang lost. Naghanap ako ng outlet
Mm.
to... Basta hindi ako okay, in short.
Okay.
Mentally, emotionally, ganyan.
Why?
Lost in the family, and then
Who did you lose?
my parents, both of them.
I'm sorry to hear that. No, I
Mm.
understand.
And then, matagal na din kasi akong may mental issues since 2013.
Mm.
Pero na-trigger siya nitong last year.
Because of,
Panic, anxiety attack, ganyan,
because
ganyan.
of the death in the family.
Yes, and there's so much things happening in the family.
Okay.
And the relationship that I had with a person, with my ex, to be specific, na I tried to commit
Okay.
at some point.
Yeah.
So, parang ano siya, dumating siya dun sa point na I needed someone
Mm-hmm.
to speak with, without judgment.
Okay. And he was the
And
most
then-
available and convenient and most
Correct.
interested guy sa iyo ang time na yan.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Waiting in the wings. Okay. Okay.
So, nung nagpa-usap kami, mga una, wala naman kami na pag-usapan tungkol dun sa about relationship, about love, or about life siya.
Mhm.
Mga sensible na topic.
Okay.
Tapos naging constant yun. Parang naging daily kaming magkausap. And then, there's this one time, mga end of October, may na basa siya sa Reddit about mga fetishes. Sexual fetishes. Ganyan.
Ano na?
Sexual fetish. Sa
Fetish.
subreddit yan eh. Oo.
Okay.
Tapos, di ko lang maalala kung paano, pero napunta yung pag-uusap namin sa mga sex toys.
So, he was able to read something online. He shared it with you. It became a point of topic. And then, one conversation led to another. Nauwi siya sa mga
Correct.
sex toys.
Oo.
So, tinanong ka niya, may collection ka ba? Ganon. At ang sagot mo, no, yuck, I don't do that.
Hindi.
Okay, so umamin ka.
Tinanong muna niya ako kung, sabi niya, I've been single for a very long time.
Mm.
So, paano ko
How do you pleasure
pinasatisfy
yourself?
yung sarili ko? Correct.
Mm.
So, sabi ko, I have toys. Direct ka.
Okay.
Hindi naman ako magpapaka-hypocrite pang sabi, no, ganyan. Kasi we're both mature and adults naman eh.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, tinanong niya kung ano, sabi ko, vibe. Yun lang naman yung usual, di ba, pag babae. Tapos sabi niya, meron din naman daw siya. Tapos,
Ha?
bigla niya
Wait. May panlalaki sa ganon?
Yes, nakalimutan ko yung tawag eh.
No!
Meron!
Okay. Where have I been?
Gusto mo ba?
I don't need it.
Pero meron.
Okay. Hindi ko lang alam na... Okay. Why would men need that?
Eh, kasi nga daw, for the past 3 years, wala siyang sexual or intimate moment with the partner. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, huwag mo kong i-bullshit kasi nang landi ka during those times. So, in between, meron. Pero sabi niya, naging busy kasi siya eh. Parang, nagkasay na pala ako dun sa company na yun. Parang during the night, same work, tapos may gig siya in the morning. So parang wala na talaga siyang time. Parang swerte na lang daw na makatulog siya ng 3 hours a day. Ayun. Tapos,
Anong gig niya? Musikero ba siya?
parang, hindi. Sa service siya eh.
Okay.
Hindi ko na masyadong inalam yung ano niya.
Okay.
With me kasi parang I'm talking to him pero I'm limiting lang yung information na makukuha niya sa akin. And then, I just let him talk whatever he wanted to share with me.
Okay.
So parang may boundaries na ganun.
Okay.
Tapos, bigla niyang nasingit na ang tagal niya na daw ang gustong landuin pero yung reaction ko daw is
Nonchalant.
yes.
Okay.
Tapos, challenging daw, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
Sabi ko, ganyan naman yung mga lalaki. Sa una, challenge kayo. And then, pag nakuha nyo na yung babae, idadrop nyo na lang. Like a hot potato.
You are at some point very, very accurate. It is so disturbing that you knew this from the start and yet here we are. Okay, go ahead.
Correct. Diba?
Mhm.
Diba nga?
Okay.
Alam ko naman yun. May self-awareness naman. Pero siguro yun lang yung may moment of weakness.
Okay.
And then, so, yung conversation na yun, mas matanda pala ako sa kanya ng 5 years.
Okay.
So, alam mo yung mga millennial ngayon, mga mukhang younger, di ba? Tama ba, Papa Jason?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
At yun yung mga market ko, mas bata sa akin.
Oh, yeah. That's the confidence. That's the spirit.
Yes.
Diba? When you say, yan ang mga market ko. Ikaw na.
Pero hindi ako natutuwa kasi nga, syempre, I don't know, maybe hindi lang pa nakatagpo ng tama. Or maybe I'm not really available, making myself available for that.
Okay.
So, continuing on sa story, tinanong ko siya kung paano niya hinahandle yung mga side chicks niya. Tapos sabi niya, usually daw, via call lang. So ano yun, sabi ko SOP, ganyan, video sex, ganyan. Oo, tapo daw, ganun. So ilan yung naganon mo? Sabi niya, 3. Sabi ko, bullshit ka na naman.
Dahan-dahan naman sa term, ibang black naman ako.
Ay, sorry. Hindi, totoo daw na 3 lang naman. Sabi ko, okay, sige. So sabi ko, hindi ko pa siya na-try ko siya with my ex before, but I never did it with someone na hindi ko ganun walang lalim yung connection.
You were referring to like, na-try yung alin?
Na mag-SOP and then mag-BS, ganyan.
Video call.
Mm-hmm.
Yung video all. Okay. 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 Aha. Okay.
So, nagtagal ulit yung mga conversation namin ng gano'n. Pero every conversation namin, from other life topics hanggang mapupunta doon, siya palagi nag-initiate. So, that's for a month.
And you were accommodating.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Maybe I'm just bored.
Or maybe you liked it.
Siguro, I like it too,
Yeah. Oh, let's settle sa part na you liked it. You were not just bored.
I like it.
Kasi pwede na mag-Netflix kapag bored. Okay.
And then, so we did it.
Uy, ang laki naman ng talon. Wait lang muna. After, siyempre, niyaya ka gano'n. Buuin mo naman. Ang pusang gala naman ito magkwento. So, wait, ano ba yun?
Sinortcut.
Oo nga, game. Yun lang yung kwento mo hindi pa bubuuin. Oh.
So, yung last na pag-usap namin, bago namin gawin yon is, nakainom ako nun ng gabi.
Ano ininom mo nun?
Moscato.
Okay, ano yun? Wala kasi ako. Sorry, wala akong alam sa
Pink Moscato na wine, ganyan.
Wine pala yun.
Lightweight ako.
Pag sinabing lightweight, mahina.
Oo.
Dapat sige, Chico, kausap sa mga ganito. Kasi, tapos...
Ano lang yun kasi dapat pampatulog lang. Insomnia kasi ako
Okay.
Nasakto, nag-chat siya. Tapos tumawag.
Kumbaga, you were in the zone.
Oo.
Okay.
Ganon. Tapos fertile ka, diba?
Anak, ovulation period. Ba't ko ba? Ano ba ito? Ba't ko alam itong mga term na ito? Nakakairita.
I just wanna set the record straight. Di ako pumapatol sa bata. Dito lang.
Okay. Tapos,
And 30s, ganyan. Hindi mga 20s pa baba.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Tapos, napansin niya siguro na lasing-lasing ako kasi medyo, incoherent ako at that time.
You were talking over the phone or video call?
Phone lang muna, tumawag lang muna siya.
Okay.
So, ano ba naman ito?
Oh, this is the entire purpose of your call. Okay.
So, nagsabi siya kung okay lang ba ako, ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi, ang init ng pakiramdam.
Naku po.
Yan, tapos sabi niya siya din daw, parang stress siya.
Ang init din.
So sabi ko,
talaga
sabi
naman.
So anong gagawin? Anong gagawin mo para mawala yung stress mo? Tapos sabi niya, gusto niyang mag-masturbate.
Huy!
And if I wanna see.
Huwag naman sabihin yung word na yun. Maban naman tayo.
Sorry. Gusto niyang gawin yon, mag-MP, and if I wanna see.
So he wanted to pleasure himself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos, like, okay, sige. Show me. Tapos ginawa niya. Nag-video call siya, ginawa niya. And, wala akong ginawa that first time.
Nanood ka lang.
I just like the reaction. Pero nung time after nun,
Wait lang, reaction ng?
niya, yung facial reaction niya.
You liked it?
I liked it during that time. Tapos, natapos yun.
Ano sabi mo? Sige na, magpunas ka na doon. Tulog na ako.
Ano bang sabi ko nun? Like, are you done? So sabi ko, if you're done, sige, tama ka naman. Sabi ko, clean up ka na. Tapos nag-try siya uling magtawag. Di na ako nakasagot kasi nakatulog ako.
Social sila. Clean up ka na. Yung iba, asan ba yung tissue? Okay. Tapos, that was the
first time.
Okay.
And then, so that was last month of November. last week of November.
Okay.
And then, naging routine siya namin hanggang third week of December. Mga twice.
Over video call
Over.
lang.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero, there's
Who initially who usually initiate?
Siya naman palagi.
But kumbaga willingly, okay, ganun ka. Interested ka.
Okay lang.
But do you also do it?
May one time.
You did it only one time?
Yes, one time. Most of the time kasi parang upper body lang yung nakikita niyo.
Sa'yo?
Mhm.
Okay.
Tapos, second week ng December, nagkita kami.
Ito na.
Nung nagkita kami, ano siya aggressive. Mas aggressive siya sa personal. We did petting, we did necking, ganyan.
Well, syempre, ano yan? Built up sexual tension
Built
na yan.
up na nga May anticipation na kasi. Pero, the thing is, hindi na co-cooperate yung body ko.
Ha? Bakit?
We tried to do it like all the way. Pero hindi talaga. Like, hirap. So sabi ko, let's stop na kasi ayoko na. Ayokong, hindi okay yung katawan ko ngayon.
Okay, what do you mean? Okay, naguluhan ako.
Ayaw, walang penetration na nangyari. Like, mahirap.
Okay,
Mahirapan.
let's stop there. Okay. Okay. Tapos?
And then,
So you did not do it?
We didn't. Pero we kiss. We touch, ganyan. Tapos, ano naman siya, di naman na siya namilit.
Okay.
Kasi i-understand daw, baka pagod daw ako kasi wala din daw ang tulog, ganyan. So, natapos yung araw na yun, na nung pagkaalis niya, parang nabuhusan ng malamig na tubig. Yung parang doon na nag-start mag-sink in yung iba-ibang mga bagay. So, hindi ko siya fina-follow, di ba? A day after nung nangyari na yun, I go to his profile, since public naman. And then, I tried checking kung yung partner niya. And then, I saw the partner, I saw the kid, and I don't like what I'm feeling when looking at the partner and then the son. So, I decided to speak with him. Na sabi ko, I don't think I can continue this anymore. Kasi it's not right. And hindi ko din sure kung gaano ka 100% true yung mga bagay na na-share mo sa akin. Maybe there's half truth doon, but it doesn't still give me the an excuse para ituloy ito.
Okay.
So, yung una, ayaw niya kasi di pa nakapagawa ng video. Siguro that's one. And then siguro din, there's something with the way we communicate na gusto niya. Hindi lang yung sa mga sexual things. Mga sensible na bagay about life and all. And why I'm sharing this is because I know it's not only me who is on that same situation, maybe iba. Pero being the other woman or the woman na papasok sa isang situation na hindi malinis is hindi okay. And everything that starts na mali will end up nang di maganda. Why did I choose to step out?
Why?
I'm not proud of it.
Mm-hmm.
And when I look at, or when I think about the future me, will that future me be proud sa pinagagawa ko ngayon? Of course not.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not easy to step away dun sa situation na gusto mo rin naman in-entertain mo. And you let yourself be involved with that person. But once you realize that you have to advocate for yourself and that you wanted to regain the dignity that you have, not just as a woman, but as a person, you will have the courage to step out of it and make a decision for yourself. So, parang i-advocate mo na yung sarili mo. And yung key takeaway ko doon, sometimes at our weakest, we made decisions na malabo, na wala siyang patutunguhan. But when we sit down sa sarili natin, we feel our own senses and mas mararamdaman mo kung ano yung tama na dapat gawin. Kahit hindi komportable, gagawin mo yun para sa sarili mo. And nakakaawal lang din yung son, and then of course yung asawa, yung partner, kasi if they found out na ganun yung ginagawa ng guy with them, how would they feel? Especially the son. And also pala, Papa Jackson, I asked him, what if yung partner mo nalaman mo na may nakakausap na lalaki? And then ang sagot niya, ititigil niya na daw yun, tama na. So sabi ko, bakit double standard? Kasi ang sabi niya, pag babae daw, emotion. Pag lalaki daw, last lang. So sabi ko, so if last lang yun, whatever happening between us is purely last. So wala siyang dapat na maging bearing kung sakaling aalis na ako. Kasi last lang naman yung nararamdaman mo. And ako din, ganun din naman. It's either you make a choice. It's either you talk to your partner, sabihin mo sa kanya kung ano yung mga pinagagawa mo, be honest with her, and then get her reaction. If she's willing to still accept you or still be with that partnership, then go. Ayusin mo buhay mo. If wala na, edi bakas ka na, tapos mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Tapos sabi niya, bakit ko daw siya binibigyan ng ganong choice? Sabi ko, I'm not giving you that choice dahil gusto ko. Dapat ikaw mismo makarealize niya sa sarili mo kasi buhay mo yan eh. Ayun. So, ngayon, I stopped speaking with the guy. He still tries to communicate with me via different accounts, which I continuously block. And ang galing-galing niya, ang dami niyang time kasi gumagawa siya ng iba't ibang mga account to reach me. But I don't have any plan na to communicate and continue with him. And mas gusto kong mas maging better pa as a person, as a woman, as a human being na wala akong tinatapakan na kahit sino. And if there would be a time na I could meet someone at the right time, at the right place, at the right moment, then why not? And again, wala po akong tanong. I just share this with you guys kasi I know there are some people na naka-experience din ng ganito. Baka nga yung iba pa mas malala pa yung situation. At least ako lang, mas early lang na na-realize ko yung mga bagay-bagay. Yun lang po.
Yun na yun?
Yes po.
May toy ba na mint green? Parang wala, no?
Ano po?
Toy na... Ang layo nung... Bakit ba? Ang hindi alam to. May toy ba na mint green? Wala, no? Pink lang daw.
Meron.
Ha?
Meron din.
Meron ka mint green?
Iba-ibang color yun.
Oh my God, ang daya mong toy.
Yes.
Ano mga kulay? Pink.
Pink, green, violet, black, red.
Meron ka lahat nun?
Yes, iba-iba.
Ang dami.
Ah.
Ano yun? Double A, triple A?
Rechargeable lahat.
Wow! Laging fully charged. In case of emergency. Well, I want to respect that. When you said you are just here to unload something that's heavy, no? I'm not here to validate or invalidate you. But number one, I want to say thank you for sharing with us, diba, for putting us in the front seat of, us listening to your story. Siguro kung may mga comment lang ako dito, it's just that maybe it's a little bit hypocritical to come from you, yung mga payo, di ba? And then, sa dulo ng pag-amin mo, sasabihin mo, at least ako, maaga ko na, I mean, that shouldn't come from you, at the very least. But if it's whatever floats your boat, if it serves the purpose of you realizing and gaining your, anong tawag nun? Your dignity back, di ba? Into how it used to be, then, well and good. Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali. Di ba? Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali. Nagkamali ka, di ba? Tao ka. You were, di ba, once upon a time, nadala ka ng Nadala ka ng kate, no?
Yes.
Nadala ka ng kate, no? Na ano ka na, ang tawag nun, there was one time in your life that you have allowed your guards down. But and maybe at some point it taught you a lesson. Whatever that lesson is, alam mo ngayon ano pa lang yan. Ngayon ano yan? Ano pa lang ngayon yan? It is a label of a lesson pa lang ngayon. No? One day soon it will really yung lesson it will be put to practice. Ganun naman yan eh. No? And you are yet to to utilize, no, yung totoong value ng lesson na yan. But at the very least, tama ka naman.
I know it's not right. It's not right.
Yeah, tama ka naman na, di ba? At least nakaalis ka before things got worse. Di ba?
And then sinabi mo nga kanina, Papa Jackson, di ba? Things will, lahat is masaya until one gets hurt.
Yes, so it's all fun and games until someone gets hurt. Diba? Actually, may kadugtong yung phrase na yun eh. So, gusto mo marinig yung buo?
Ano?
It's all fun and games until someone gets hurt and pregnant. Yan yung kadugtong talaga nun.
Tama.
Oh, hindi ko lang sinabi kanina dun sa... Anyways, well, I don't have anything for you since you don't need anything from us. We're just thank you for sharing with us. No? I hope nakagaan sa nararamdaman mo to.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much for your time, Papa Jackson.
For now, the toy...
I'm a silent supporter.
thank you. For now, the toys will do, no? I-schedule mo na lang today yung pink, bukas yung brown. Siguro yung red pagka special occasion o kaya pag sobrang lungkot ko. May ganun na pag sobrang lungkot ko, pula. No? Talagang...
Hindi naman palagi gano'n. Hindi naman palagi. Pero busy din naman.
Ano no?
Busy din sa work, sa studies, ganyan.
Okay. Sige. Di yung green lang muna lagi pala.
Thank you so much po, Papa Jack.
Ay, nako. Anyways, thank you very much and Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. Ingat po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.